If you're a solopreneur or a startup founder creating content every week, but still wondering, why am I not getting enough leads? This video is for you because today I'm breaking down the book that completely reframed how I think about content, free value, and lead generation. And that is $100 Leads by Alex Hormozi. Quick intro if we haven't met yet. I'm Novi. I'm a freelancer and a content creator and also an affiliate sales partner. So my goal this year is to double my affiliate sales income. I don't run massive ad budgets. I rely content to build trust, attract leads, and convert them into sales. That's why this book resonated so deeply with me, especially the part about posting free content, which most people misunderstand. So yeah, this is a huge book and it's like a workbook. And Alex Hormozi said that the reason why this is so big is that because he likes to have a book where he can write his ideas on, where he can make it like a workbook. That's the reason why it's so big like that. So what this book is really about. This book is not just about ads. It's not run Facebook ads and pray. At its core, $100 million leads is about one thing: how to turn strangers into people who want to buy from you. And the big problem Hormozi calls out is this: your potential customers are ignorant of your existence, not uninterested, not broke. They simply don't know you exist. Okay, so let's now go to the lead equation. Alex Hormozi breaks business down very simply. You need offers, you need leads, then you need sales. No leads means no sales, and no sales means no business. And the first job of marketing is attention, which brings us to content. Okay, so one of my favorite frameworks from the book is the content unit. So the content unit is the hook, retain, and reward. Hook means you get them to notice. Retain means keep them consuming. And reward is make it worth their time. So if your content doesn't reward people, it doesn't grow. And this is where most creators, us, get it wrong. So quick story. I started a TikTok channel a few years ago, and the first time I posted, I didn't get any views, and then I keep on posting, and then it's now 74K followers. So I realized posting valuable content consistently will give you leads, which will lead into sales, and that means business. So when I was in insurance before, I get leads from my TikTok channel. When I switched to freelancing, that I have to start a YouTube channel to create content about freelancing. And now here we are. Okay, so posting free content. Alex Hormozi makes this very clear. People don't buy because you posted less. They buy because you posted better. Free content is not optional. It's not a teaser. It's not giving away too much. Free content is goodwill. Why free content actually sells? Here's the mindset shift. People who buy from you consume your free content first. They use your free content to judge your competence, your clarity, and your relevance. Your free content becomes part of how they calculate ROI before they buy. And that's huge because a confused mind doesn't buy. So this line stuck with me, and this is why vague content fails. Like posting random tips, jumping between niches, talking to everyone. You're actually not helping. You're confusing. So another thing is content should be specific. So Alex Hormozi explains this using one of my favorite metaphors, which is the puddles to ocean. So puddle means very specific niche. Pond is broader. Lake even broader, and ocean is general business. So most people start in the ocean and drown. You grow faster by starting in a puddle. Not business content, but lead generation for solopreneurs. Not video marketing, but screen recorded demos for founders. So another myth the book destroys is that people don't have short attention spans. They have high standards. So there's no such thing as too long, only too boring. So if your content is good, people will stay. Okay, so let's now go with how I apply this as a content creator. This part personally changed how I create content. So instead of asking, what should I post today? I ask, what problem can I solve clearly today? And I structure my content using lists, steps, and stories, because curiosity retains attention. Okay, so now I'm gonna share with you the tool that I'm using for recording, editing, and publishing my content. Okay, so this is where Tela fits perfectly into this framework. when you're posting free content, especially as a solopreneur, you need speed. So you don't need expensive editors, you don't need complex setups, and you don't need production paralysis. You need clear value fast. So this video tool that I'm using to record and edit content is Tella. Tella is a video and screen recording tool like Loom, well, the best Loom alternative with AI editing features. So with Tella, I can record my screen and camera, explain ideas visually, and turn expertise into consumable content. So this works incredibly well for tutorials, product demos, onboarding style free content, and educational videos, which is exactly the kind of content Alex Hormozi talks about. This is the Telash dashboard, and you have here AI generated description, which is ready to post on YouTube. You also have the chapters, which is ready to copy. You can also edit that. And then this is ready to copy on YouTube. And then you have here the transcript. Copy paste that and you do or repurpose it into content. And you have here comments just like Loom, where your clients can leave comments. And this one is the document generation, where you can create a blog article, a tutorial, a guide, or a summary from this video. So you don't need other tools to create or repurpose content, just Tella. So the document generation is very helpful if you are a solopreneur who doesn't have any teams to create content for you. So this is very helpful. And this is a shareable through a single link. And the editing features of Tella is super amazing. Like if you hit edit, okay, so this is Tella's dashboard, and Tella is a very beginner-friendly video tool where you don't need to spend 6 months just to learn, just like Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. This is very simple and it's very easy to use and understand. So this is the dashboard. This is the setup tool. It has a cut tool where you can automatically remove buffers, silences, and filler words in 3 clicks. And we have the layout tool where you can just choose which layout you'd like to create for your video or how you present your video. And zoom, you can add zoom or generate zooms automatically. So you don't need to scrub it one by one just to add zooms. It will be automatically generated. And you have the effect tool where you can add blur to hide sensitive content and highlight to draw attention to key areas. And you can also change the background into amazing Tella background, Mac OS background, animated background, or choose from Unsplash. And then the border style, where you can choose the border style that you'd like for your videos, and subtitle. So you can just toggle that on and choose from the 5 subtitles and crop your screen, center your camera frame if you're not centered when you're recording the video. And you can also add audio to your video. So you can add background music so it plays throughout the video. If your video is long, so it will just loop around, and you can control the audio levels, the master volume, which is your video volume, the mic volume, and the system audio or the clip. And you can also enhance your audio quality and remove background noise through Studio Voice. You can download your video in 4K resolution. So you can also download a time-lapse video, especially when you're recording software demos, tutorials, like that. All right, so that's how Tella works. And if you're interested in trying Tella, so it's free for 7 days. And if you like it, you can get 30% off using my link. So check out my description section and get the 30%. Pro tip, go for the annual mode to maximize your savings. It's only $13 per month for the Pro plan and $19 per month for the premium plan. That's how Tella works, and it's so amazing. And I've been using it for 2 years already, and I never look back. I also use CapCut to put some text overlays because Tella doesn't have that feature yet, but soon we can have that feature already. So this is the all-in-one video tool that I'm using in creating YouTube videos, all video, my freelancing courses, everything video. I've been using Tella, and it's so great. And I hope you can try it too. One of my favorite ideas from the book is that the content isn't the compounding asset. The audience is. Because content disappears. Algorithms change. But if your audience grows, your leverage grows. And free content is how you earn the audience. Okay, so why most people quit too early? So another reminder I needed is that you'll get bored of your message before your audience even hears it. Repetition isn't annoying. It's necessary. People need to be reminded more than they need to be taught. I live in a tropical country. I live in the Philippines and it's February and it's not so cold anymore. It's going summer already. Who this book for and who it's not? This book is for solopreneurs, startup founders, and creators who want predictable leads. That's why I got this because I'm a creator and an affiliate sales partner who wants leads. And this is for people willing to show up consistently. It's not for people who are looking for shortcuts, people who hate creating value, people who won't post because it's not perfect yet. Just post and you'll reap the rewards later. Okay, so for my biggest takeaway, if I had to summarize $100 million leads, these are my takeaways. Earn attention with value first. Sales come later. Post free content. Make it good. Make it specific. Make it useful. And do it long enough for trust to compound. So that's it. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe for more content like this. And I hope you read this book too. Let me know in the comments if you have read this book. What are the key takeaways that you got from this? And let me know. Just comment down below your thoughts about this book and check out the description section for the links. And thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!